Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Dannie. I know I look absolutely crazy, but just deal with it. I have my tea, as you have seen. This is green tea, I think with passion fruit and orange and a whole bunch of other flavors, but I really like it. And I put a little bit of monk fruit syrup in it, like the monk fruit sweetener. So good. I needed that this morning. I'm trying really hard to stay away from coffee, so I have moved to green tea. You all know I absolutely love green tea, and green tea has so many great benefits, especially when it comes to weight loss and fat burning. So gotta have my cup of green tea in the morning. I needed a little bit of self-care this morning when I woke up, some extra care to my skin, so I went ahead and put it on my face mask. This is the Teami Blends Detox Mask. You know I absolutely love Teami. I love their face mask. It just really is just cleansing. I realized when I traveled back to New York, because you all know that I left and went to Tennessee for a couple days, when I traveled back to New York, I think it really is New York water or something, or air, but New York air has been breaking my face out. So I saw one little bump starting to pop up after my face had been clear. And I was like, no ma'am, no ham, no turkey. I need this to go away. So I went ahead and got my face mask on to go ahead and aid and help clearing up my skin. It just makes my skin feel really, really clean. And I feel like it takes away all of like the impurities of my face, and it just has my skin glowing, and it's amazing. So I absolutely love this face mask. So if you want to try it out, make sure to look in the description box below. I'll leave the link, and you can also use my code DannieA25 to receive 25% off of your purchase. And thank you again, Teami, for my amazing mask. So I'm going to go ahead and drink the rest of my tea, and then I'm going to have some breakfast. Breakfast is going to be a little bit different today. I want to try something different out, so you'll see what I am cooking up when it's time for breakfast. Okay, so I am about to eat my breakfast. I saw this on Pinterest, and I was like, well, maybe I'll try it out. It's just toast with cream cheese and strawberries and blueberries, and I have some grapes just to get my fruit intake in. Yeah, I'm really excited to try it. I mean, it's regular toast and cream cheese, so I'm sure it's going to be good. Oh, and I did put some cinnamon on it just for a little bit of flavor. So I'm going to sit here and eat this, and I'm also watching Love is Blind. I've never watched Love is Blind before, and I've always heard it was really good. So I'm on episode, what, 4? Yeah, episode 4. So I'm about to sit here, watch this episode, and eat my breakfast. I'm really excited for this. Okay, so it is lunchtime, and you all know I normally cook when I do my what I eat in the days, but I had the thought, I was like, what if I order something and kind of show people what I would order if I were going to order out for food? So I made that decision to do that, to try to, you know, show you all options of what you can get if you want to eat fairly healthy but also ordering out. So that's what I did. So I ordered, I think it's called Fields. It's called Field's Good Chicken. I see it all the time, like when I'm out walking, and I've never tried it. But I was like, oh, they have a good selection on their menu. So I got the oven roasted chicken, and it comes with 3 sides. So I'm going to show you all what I got. This is the first time opening the bag. Okay, so it looks like it's packaged all over the place, but it's fine. It is what it is. So I got the chicken with the black beans, which I guess are under the chicken. I got the roasted broccoli, and then I wanted to try, they had their mac and cheese, but it was cauliflower mac and cheese. So I was really interested to see how that was going to taste, and it came with some, I guess, cornbread or bread or whatever that is. And then they also I wanted to try their potatoes just because it sounded good, but I'm not really sure why they're green. I know it said that they made it with olive oil and that they were vegan. So I'm gonna see how this tastes, but I've never had mashed potatoes that were green. I don't know if they mixed other vegetables in it, but we're gonna try it out and see. But this looks so good, and it's definitely going to be very filling. I think I'll actually have leftovers from this, because yeah, that is a lot of food. So this is something, this is like a plate that I would get either for lunch or dinner, mainly dinner. I was kind of surprised I got something this heavy for lunch, but it is what it is. But this is something that I would order if I'm going to eat out. I'm going to order something that's fairly balanced. I have my protein, I have my vegetables, I have some fiber with the beans and also more protein, and then just kind of like a little treat of mac and cheese. But again, it is like the cauliflower puree base, so I think the mac and cheese may also be vegan, but yeah, I'll taste it and see. I want to try these mashed potatoes first, because that's what I'm interested in, because they're green. They smell like mashed potatoes. Oh, those are actually really good. And they're vegan. Those are good. Forget the color then. The mashed potatoes are good, guys. So I'm going to try that. And then I'm also going to try the mac and cheese. It looks like it has like panko crust. It doesn't look cheesy at all, so I think it is a vegan mac and cheese, which is totally fine. I've had good luck with those, so. Yeah, it's definitely vegan, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It has like a kind of, not zesty, but kind of like Cajun type of taste to it. So it's really not bad, but it definitely, I think it is definitely vegan, which I'm perfectly fine with. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna sit here and eat this for my lunch. I have a meeting at 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. It's now 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna sit here, eat my lunch, go the rest of my day for work, and then I'm going to come back later and we're going to cook dinner. I'm not going to order dinner, of course. I'm going to cook dinner, but this is kind of, again, what you would see me eat if I decided to eat out and didn't feel like cooking at home. This is kind of like the plate that I would get. So yeah, I'll check back in with you all for dinner. is dinner. I have my broccoli, I have my cauliflower, gnocchi, and then I made some chicken strips, chicken tenders with the panko crust, and then I put a little bit of like marinara sauce on the side to dip my gnocchi and my chicken strips in, kind of to give it like a little chicken parm vibe, whatever. But this is just something very quick, very easy to make. As you can see, I put everything either in the air fryer or in the microwave, so it's just something really quick, a nice, easy, healthy meal. So yeah, this is going to be my dinner. I look absolutely crazy, but yeah, so those are the meals that I've had today. Excuse me, I'm filming on my phone because my camera just died. I'm like, I need to get this content done. So yeah, that's what I've had for my meals today. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down below if you have any questions, or share some of your favorite meals with me. I would love to hear them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.